Senator Win Gatchalian is pushing for tighter rules on online gambling, including stricter age limits and higher betting thresholds. Here is the story.
Senator Win Gatchalian has filed a bill seeking to tighten regulations on online gambling. However, the senator clarified that the measure, one of his 10 priority bills in the 20th Congress, does not call for a total ban to prevent gambling operators from going underground.
Pag tinotal ban, ang aking concern baka mag-underground sila. No? Kasi napakadaling mag-set up ng website.
Under the measure, the minimum age for players would be raised from 18 to 21. Age verification would require both a valid ID and biometric data. The bill also sets a 10,000 pesos minimum bet and a 5,000 pesos minimum wallet top-up. It prohibits linking e-wallets such as GCash to gambling apps.
Ngayon kasi pwede ka mag-GCash, ililink mo dito eh. Iyon ang nagiging napakadali na kasi. No? So, pinutol namin yung link na yan.
The measure further bans gambling sponsorships in public events and bars campaign donations from gaming entities. On a different note, Gatchalian emphasized that the Senate, sitting as an impeachment court, should hold off on further proceedings until the House of Representatives elects a new prosecution panel.
But insofar as the trial is concerned, we have to wait for the new prosecution team to be elected or to be nominated by the lower house. Because if you remember, the lower house ended the term last Monday, and they have not convened yet, and they have not yet elected their speaker. So there's no prosecution team yet under the 20th Congress.
He also clarified that senator judges from the 19th Congress don't need to retake their oath, as the impeachment court is a continuing body. Gatchalian further confirmed that 3 senators, including Senator Amy Marcos, have expressed interest in the Senate presidency.
Tuwing may ganitong bagong kongreso, kasi tumawid tayo, talagang meron namang usapin na may mga gustong tumakbo bilang Senate President. Alam naman natin yung mga personalidad na gustong tumakbo, naririnig naman natin. So, Yan ay pinag-uusapan ngayon.